Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to learn the 7th prose, second topic, Gorg. 7th prose, Glimpses of India. In it there are 3 parts. We have already learned 2 parts. Now we are going to learn the second part. First part, third part we have learned. Now we are going to learn the second part, Gorg. What is meant by Gorg? Gorg means Kudag. In Tamil we can say it Kudag Malai. As the Kaveri also origin. The Kaveri water came from Kudag, okay, Gorg. So this is famous for Kaveri river. Next, this is famous for this is one of the coffee country. What is that? This is one of the coffee country because in India, which state is producing more coffee? You know about that? Karnataka. Tea, Assam. Coffee, Karnataka. Coffee, Karnataka. Yes, coffee is famous for Karnataka. So this is one of the famous coffee country. And the next day, these places are having more rainforest. These places are having more rainforest. In 7th standard, we got studied about deciduous forest, evergreen forest, rainforest. Evergreen forest is called rainforest because these places are receiving more rainfall at the same time more sunlight. Because of that, the forest is always evergreen, the trees are not shed their leaves often. Because of that, these places are very famous. Rainforest very famous. More tourist people, tourists also going to these places. Where? Kudag. So where is the place located? The place is located in between the gap of Mysore and Mangalore. In between the gap of Mysore and Mangalore. This place is looking like a heaven. What is this place is looking? Yes, like a heaven. This is peace of heaven. What is that? Peace. It is very silent. Peace of this place is peace of heaven. Yes, calmness. Next, the another name of Gorg is Kudag. What is that? The another name of Gorg is Kudag. At first I told you another name of is Kudag. Kaveri also origin from Kudag mountain. This is one of the coastal town of Mangalore. What is that? This is one of the coastal town of Mangalore. Yes, coastal town of Mangalore. This is smallest district of Karnataka. Kurg is the smallest district where it is located. Karnataka, nearby, in between the gap of Mysore and Mangalore. Okay, this is the smallest district of Karnataka. Yes, this place is receiving more rain, heavy rain in the monsoon season. So because of that, in the monsoon season, tourists cannot go there. Tourists cannot go Kudag mountain because of more water, more rain. So when we can go to the place, the month of September to March, September, November, December, January, February, March, we can go to the Kudag mountain. So the September to March, season of joy, we can enjoy the place and go to the place because good weather, good climate on the time, so we can enjoy there, we can go there. This land is for martial man. What is that? Martial man. And beautiful, in this place the people are strongest people. Okay, martial man, beautiful women, wild animals. What is that? Wild animals. These are occupied the land of Gorg. Maximum Gorg people are Greek origin, not Indian people. Yes, Indian people also living, but the Greek people mingled with the Indian people and living in Gorg. For that they are telling one story. Yes, one story goes on Gorg. What that? Once Alexander came to India. For fighting with Indians. He got ill. ill, sick. He got sick. He became ill. So he returned on the time. Maximum of Alexander's army people, soldiers, Alexander soldiers were settled in India. Settled in India because they can't go there. They are not willing to go there. So they have settled in India, Gurg, and they have marry local Indians. They have marry local Indians, and they have followed two cultures. What is that? Greek culture and Indian culture. They have mixed. What is, they have used mixed culture, Greek culture and Indian culture. So they were different from Hindus. They are not following all the cultural and traditional activities of India. They are not following the cultural and traditional activities of India. They have differ from Hindus. They have differ from Hindus because they were wearing, their dresses were differ from Indian. They were wear black coat, black long coat. That is called kupia. What is that? That is called kupia. Yes. The kupia is like same gurda Arab peoples are wearing white color long coat. Yes, like that the Gurk people, whose people are Alexander's army people, Greek people also wearing that kupia, wearing the coat of kupia always. So the Gurk regiment is decorated in army. Gurk people are brave people. Gurk people are Gurga. We are also telling Gurga, no. As maximum the every villages, not every village, every town is having Gurga. So Gurk people regiment decorated in army. So already they have soldiers. Greek soldiers. They were soldiers in Alexander's army. So Indian army also accepted to join them with the Indian army. So next, the first chief general, first Indian army chief general was Kariyappa. What is that? Gariyappa. Yeah, he is one of the Gurgi. He was one of the Gurgi. Yes. Next, God house. What is that? God house without license gun. So God house are using gun. Yes, still we are in our areas the Kuravargal solluvom. What is that? Kuravargal. So they also using this kind of guns without license. So Goda's peoples are living in Gurg areas. Goda's, what is that? Goda's peoples are living in Gurg areas. So I already told you first, what is that? Kaveri origin from Gurg, Kaveri water come from Gurg mountain. What is that? Gurg places. Kaveri water come from Gurg places. Next, these waters are very fresh waters. What is that? Too fresh, because the a fish is living always in fresh water. What is that? Magasir. What is that? Magasir. This the Magasir fish is only living in fresh water. So the Magasir fish is living in Kaveri. So Kaveri also one of the fresh water. Okay. So Magasir fish is living in Kaveri water. And the next, so lot of kingfishers we know about bird. Kingfisher is diving and capture the fishes and eating in the river. Maximum the kingfisher bird eating the fish from lake, pool, or sea, ocean is largest places. So here the kingfisher birds are eating the fish from the river. Next, if we are entering the forest, definitely we want to see the elephant. We can't come without seeing the elephant. So the elephants are enjoying and bathing in the river. Which river? Kaveri river. The elephants are enjoying and bathing in the Kaveri river. Next, the tourist like as we are going to the mountain Coorg, and what are the sports we are playing on the Coorg. So in the place of Coorg we are boating. What is that? Boating. As boating. Next rock climbing. Next mountain biking. What is that? National Geography and some other channels we can see that mountain biking and trekking. Yes, trekking also no, because last year also some college students went and died in the forest fire. So we want to be careful. Interesting sports. These are the interesting sports. Next, yes, next, if you are if you are going to the forest, going to inside the forest, who will give you company? Who will give you company? Who are your companions, friends? So there are so many birds. Are there? Yes, lakhs of birds, bees, butterflies. These are your companion. Next, langurs. Yes, you know about langurs. Langurs are always watching. Always, because lot of langurs are there. So if you are enter the forest, definitely the langurs will watch you always. Langurs will watching you always. Next, visitors must saw elephant. Yes, without seeing elephant we cannot enter the forest, we cannot come out of the forest. So elephants, so lot of elephants are in Coorg, definitely. So from Brahmagiri Hills view Coorg. Yes, when we are climbing the mountain of Brahmagiri, what is the climbing the mountain of Brahmagiri, we can look at the beautiful land of Coorg. We can look at the beautiful land of Coorg. Yes, definitely. All the places we can watch from the Brahmagiri hills to Coorg. So next, rope bridge. They have made one rope. What the Kaitru Palam. So rope bridge leads 64 acres of island. Yes, with the help of rope bridge only, we can go to the island. What is that? Nisargadam. What is that? Nisargadam. With the help of this only, we can learn it. Nisargadam. Next, Pailakupi. Pailakupi is the one of the largest settlement of Buddhist people. Okay, Pailakupi, one of the largest settlement of Buddhists. It is happened in the place of Coorg. What is that? It is in the place of Coorg, Bailakupi. It is in the place of Coorg. Next, we can see the monks, as Buddhist monks. What is that? We can see the Buddhist monks in the place of Coorg. They are wearing red and yellow robes on the body. Red and yellow robes. So the Coorg is a wonderful and beautiful place for tourists and everyone. Okay, so you can read this lesson and take notes. Thank you.